this review, we're taking a close look at the Ring Wall Light Solar. It's a motion-activated wall light that puts out 800 lumens of white light. That's plenty to illuminate garages, fence lines, patios, and other outdoor areas when motion is detected. One of the standout features is its integration with Amazon Sidewalk. When connected, you can control the light through the Ring app, set schedules, turn it on or off, and sync it with other Ring smart lights, doorbells, cameras, and Alexa-enabled devices. This creates a smart outdoor lighting system that can respond in real time. For example, if one Ring light detects motion, it can trigger other Ring devices to activate. Installation is straightforward. You mount it on any exterior wall where it gets direct sunlight to recharge. The weather-resistant design means it can handle rain, snow, and heat. And since it's solar-powered, there's no need to run wiring or change batteries frequently. Setup is done through the Ring app, which walks you through the process. You can customize motion detection zones, adjust light sensitivity, and set schedules for when the light turns on. The app also allows you to group multiple Ring lights together for synchronized behavior. In terms of performance, the 800 lumens are bright enough to clearly illuminate a large area. The motion detection is reliable, and the light stays on for a set duration before turning off. The build quality feels robust, with a sleek white design that blends with most home exteriors. One thing to note, you need the Ring Bridge or compatible device for Amazon Sidewalk features. Also, the solar panel requires direct sunlight to maintain a full charge. In shaded areas, battery life may be shorter. Overall, the Ring Wall Light Solar is a great choice for anyone wanting a smart-less, solar-powered outdoor light with high brightness and seamless integration with other Ring products. It's easy to install, offers flexible control, and adds peace of mind with motion-activated illumination. For an affiliate link or more details, check the description below. Thanks for watching.